Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 4. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you the top 5 niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get ready to it. The first niche is I Love Hot Moms t-shirt. I'm not sure why this is trending, but I've taken note that customers are searching a lot for it. So I thought I should throw it in here. Maybe it's funny for in terms of a child or a baby saying, instead of saying, because it used to be I love mom, I love my mom, but it can be funny if a child is saying I love hot moms. On the other hand, it might be the mom's partner, maybe a boyfriend or husband, saying I love hot mom. So it could be both ways. I'm just wondering which one it is and why it's trending, but it definitely is trending. It's only 500 results, so you should definitely take advantage of this niche. Throwing some t-shirts, throwing some different variants. It's just text design, so it's really not difficult to make. I've shown you in my previous videos how I make t-shirts in just a matter of seconds and you're done. So moving on to niche number 2 is I survived 2020. Of course, you should know why this niche is trending. If you don't know why, it's because of Rona. If you understand what I mean by Rona or C19, it has just 792 results. Definitely in need of more t-shirts, definitely in need of more competitors. So here are the trending designs. Here are the t-shirts that have been making sales. This one says I survived 2020 and all I got was this stupid t-shirt with that sunset design again. So like I told you in my previous videos that these sunset design t-shirts are really taking off. It's like many customers like it. So this one too with a max, I survived 2020. Let's scroll down and see more t-shirt ideas. 2020 I survived, that was a flip there. This one too, I survived the great, it was a t-shirt, toilet paper shortage of 2020. So anything related to C19, people are searching for that right now. Is hot cake. This one is also just plain text and it's selling at $17.99. So it's really, you should definitely take advantage of this niche right here. The third niche is stealing hearts and blasting farts. I'm not sure where this quote is coming from, but it definitely is selling, as you can see. Maybe it's because of the upcoming Valentine's Day. Talking about hearts, Valentine's Day is coming. It'll be really in your advantage if you publish designs weeks prior to the event, like I told you in my previous videos, so that it may rank and customers can have the opportunity of buying it and shipping and it arriving early before the event. As of now, shipping is slow, so if you can put your designs up there weeks before the event, people can find it and purchase it, and their t-shirt can arrive early. I found only 900 designs on Amazon, and here are the t-shirts that are selling well. This one is just plain text on a gray t-shirt, stealing hearts and blasting farts. And let's see if this is trademarked. It's preferable not to make designs for a shirt that is trademarked, so let me just check if it's trademarked. Stealing hearts and blasting farts. All right, there you go. It's not trademark, so you can definitely dive into this shirt. Let me just make a general statement here. Once you see that if you come across a niche that has fewer than 100 results, you should definitely take a second look at it. And by taking a second look at it, I mean you should check if it's trademark. Because I've come across niches where there are just fewer than 100 results. I'm like, wow, I've surely hit a gold mine here. And as I'm like, wait, hold on a minute. How comes no one has noticed this niche? And I'll go ahead and do a trademark search, and behold, I'll see that it's trademark, and that's the reason why it's just fewer than 100 results. So take advantage of the trademark search, which is also found in Flying Upload. Link is in the description. Our fourth niche is in relation to vaccination. Vaccinations are going on right now, and people would like to have t-shirts that say I got vaccinated, vaccination is good, something in relation to positive, encouraging others to get vaccinated. Many people don't want to get vaccinated because they are not sure of the vaccine, if it's potent, and with considering the speed at which it was released to the public, and considering that there are other illnesses or diseases that they have been searching for vaccines for years and they haven't found it. For example, AIDS, HIV/AIDS, they have been searching for vaccines for it for God knows how long, and up to now they haven't found vaccine for it. Then Rona comes, and in a short span of a year, and a vaccine is already out. So people are a little bit skeptical about it. So a t-shirt saying I got vaccinated will definitely encourage others to get vaccinated too. So it's just 295 results. It's definitely in need. It's definitely in need of more competitors, more t-shirts, more. And take note, it's not only t-shirts that you can design for. You can also design for hoodies, design for long shirts, design for tote bags, design for pop sockets. So the niche is endless. I'm talking about those who are in merch by Amazon. But even if you're not in merch by Amazon, if you're using Printful or any other fulfilling service, you can definitely look for other products which don't have vaccination designs on, and make a design on it. But I will encourage that you first of all design for t-shirts, because that's what people are likely to buy. And if your design is selling well on t-shirts, then you can definitely go ahead and upload your design to more products. So let me show you designs that are doing well with it. So this one is actually doing really well. This one says vaccines cause adults not afraid of needles. Vaccines cause adult t-shirt retro vintage pro vaccination. Like I told you before, the sunset design right there, it's really doing well with customers, so you should definitely take advantage of it. Moving on to the fifth niche is the Valentine's Day t-shirts. This one is a little twist to it. It has 800 results, and let's take a look at the t-shirts that are trending. So this one is the twist that I'm talking about is the marks on it. The marks are twisted several ways. It's a heart wearing marks different ways. So this first one says nope, 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 nope. Yep. So this is the right way to wear the mark. So it's a nice twist to normal Valentine's Day t-shirts like I love you, things like that. So this one is related to C19, and it's definitely funny. So that's why it's selling. So let's take a look at all the t-shirts that are selling. These ones are relatively new shirts, but they're already selling. This is December 25th right here. That's when it was uploaded. And look, it has already sold more than 7 shirts. So within that short space of time, we're only in January 3rd, and it has already sold. That shows that customers are already purchasing their Valentine's Day shirts early. because they know that there are shipping delays. So now they like to get their gifts early. So you should definitely take advantage of this and upload your designs as soon as possible. It's only 800 results. There's definitely still space for you. Take advantage of this niche, guys. So I threw in a bonus t-shirt right there. A bonus t-shirt is love is not cancelled. So this one is a very, very hot niche. I've noticed that customers are looking for it. I'm not really sure why, but it's definitely just 120 results. And like I said, when it's about just 100 results or so, I always like to go and search, do a trademark and see if there's a reason why people haven't discovered this niche yet. So that's what I'm doing right now, just doing a search, trademark search array. So let's scroll through. Love is not cancelled. Yep, like I said, it's definitely a hot niche which is not saturated. I just did a trademark search for it and it is not trademarked. So if you haven't made designs for this niche, you should definitely do that. It's basically just text design. Love is not cancelled. You can spin it in any way that you like this one right here is a little bit over the top, but this one right here is attainable for anyone who is not design savvy. But that should not stop you from making over the top designs like this one right here, or this one right here. It's a flowery love is not cancelled design. But this one will do, this two will do. As you can see, this one is selling for sales and it's just a simple text design. Love is not cancelled, but I'll encourage that you make your text bigger like this one right here, and you should definitely make some sales. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more about KDP print on demand, this is a channel for you. Just smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.